Hey you guys, it's Megan and I am back with another video. And on today's video, I will be showing you guys how to blend and install this penny half wig that is just full of beautiful curls. So if that is your jam, if that is your cup of tea, then make sure you watch this whole video and give this video a thumbs up at the end if you really just enjoy the content. Make sure that you subscribe, become a part of the MayFAM. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If you are a returning member of the MayFAM, I'm so happy to see you back again. You guys know that. So follow me on Instagram at Megan D Mayfield, and let's get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so to get started, the rest of my hair is twisted and it's not really like in any type of uniform fashion or anything like that because I'm just gonna have a wig cap on, so it doesn't matter. And it's just like in this pattern, I guess, because I took some twist out from last night. So now I'm just gonna put my wig cap my wig cap over my large head. I really need two of these, but whatever. Okay, so this is how much hair I'm gonna be leaving out of my own, and I totally forgot my spray bottle, y'all, so we're just gonna have to improvise a little bit. Okay, so here is the wig. Y'all have seen me, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me wear this wig before. It's called Penny, and it's long, like I want to say like 26 inches. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna clip my hair back. That's what I'm gonna do, so it just doesn't get in the way. What's the best way to do this, y'all? Maybe just bring it all to the front. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna do that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the wig and find where like my hair starts right here. And then just lay it, and this is a half wig, so you're going to leave some of your hair out. And if you want to wear a half wig but your texture is not similar to the half wig that you're wanting to wear, like, don't worry about that. Don't focus on that, because I have a hack for it. All you have to do is slick all your hair down or put it in twists, put on a wig cap, and then just put a headband on, and that way none of your hair is left out. You are covering up like this line of demarcation right here, so nobody can really like tell that your texture is different. Okay, you guys, so maybe I won't need to wet my hair. Okay, so we have her on. She's secure in the back and in the front. So now I'm just gonna take some gel and start styling. And you want to make sure that you leave enough of your hair out to cover whatever style it is you're going for. So this is my hair right here, and then this is the half wig hair. And you guys, like, while I'm styling it, I've had this wig for how long? I want to say like a few months I've had it. One, I actually like forgot about it for a little bit. And then two, I was like, man, it's freaking hot out here. I don't want to wear a wig at all. And it's enough to just like have your natural hair out, and then you add a wig into the mix, and that's a whole other thing. So I'm just applying some Eco Styler gel generously to my hair, and I'm gonna start the blending process. I'm not actually going to comb it like all the way through my hair because of the fact that I am blending and I don't want to mess up the texture that I created with like my twist out. And this side is always like super tricky, so you can either do what I'm doing and just like when you brush it to the back, or you can get a bobby pin and just style it like that, like with the bobby pin in it. So yeah, I forgot I had the hair. Then I was like, oh, it's too hot. Like, I'm not trying to be out here with a wig on and it's hot. But I will say one thing I forgot about this wig, and this is hands down my favorite curly wig, okay? So one thing that I did forget about it is it's super light and airy. So the whole, like, my reservation about it being hot and just having all this hair on me, it's not really like a huge concern, and it's just something that, I didn't really remember because this wig is just so light. The wear on it is light and it's not heavy or anything like that. So when I wear this, I like to style it for like my hair to go to this side and just kind of fall down. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so that's done, and now I am just gonna take my edge brush and lay my edges. Totally up to you if you want to leave your edges out or not. I like to, because to me, when you're wearing like a half wig that's curly, you are able to make it look more realistic. And you guys, I have a full tutorial on how to lay your edges. If you haven't seen that yet, then it's in my videos and you can go and take a look at that. I'm so happy that I didn't actually like need to wet my hair to blend it. Like, that's refreshing. So what are you guys doing today? I am really sad about the fact that I have to physically go into a store and do grocery shopping, because where I was trying to shop, once I got to the checkout process, it said that they were out of 11 of my items. 11. So I was just like, you know what? This probably is not going to end well, because if you're saying you're out of 11 of my items now, I feel like when you actually go to get the groceries that it's gonna turn into like 20 items, and you guys are just not aware just yet that you're out of stock for these. So I have to physically go to the grocery store. I said I had to go to Target, I might not have to if Walmart like has what I'm looking for. So we'll see about that. And I need to wrap up a vlog from earlier. And I really think, you guys, that I'm gonna cut some of this just a tad bit because it is a lot of hair. Okay, so I'm just like prepping my hair so that I can put my scarf on and do my makeup and everything. Adding a little bit more gel to make sure it's as sleek as I would like it to be. And I'm just taking it to the back, adding a little more Eco Boost. If you guys haven't figured this out from being on my channel yet, I'm very product heavy and product intense, so but yeah, I definitely need to close out my vlog. And I'm super excited because my couch, after 2 months, is finally here, and I'm so excited for it. Just to have like another space within my office to work from is great. Okay, so wow, Megan. So to help out with the smoothing process, I'm just gonna take this little clip and clip my hair back here and use another clip to clip this side. And that way we can just focus on the hair that we need to slick down. I'm just taking a satin scarf. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this just to give me a little more volume. But I kind of just want to take like an IG pic with like this super long hair. Okay, so we're gonna let that stay, and I am gonna step away and do my makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Just a very simple makeup look today, natural. Okay, now is the moment of truth of our blending. So let's take our clips out. Where's the other one, y'all? It's right here. Okay, I would say we did pretty good, guys. So, like I said, I like for my hair to kind of just like fall over to the side. And then this is the side that I was talking about. You can figure out if you want to like slick it back and put like a bobby pin on it, or if you just want to wear it like so. And just remember, y'all, like what I said in the beginning, if you really like this wig, there are two options that you have. You can either do like more of a twist out on your hair that's gonna be left out, so that's option number one. You can do a twist out and then just leave some of your hair out. Like, y'all, this is my hair right here, but it just blends. So you can do that and then just take it out and unravel it so you can blend it with the hair. Or you can just cover all of your hair up and put the half wig on and put a headband on top of it, and you're good to go. So right now I'm just kind of like fluffing and separating the curls. To me, the older this wig gets, the better it looks. And there's some stuff in it. So yeah, of course I'm gonna take, excuse me, since this is a half wig, I will be taking it off at night, period. Like, I'm not about to go to sleep with all this on my hair. So I'm gonna take it off at night, retwist the part of my hair that is going to be left out so it like blends seamlessly, and that's it. Like, I really just love how light and airy this hair is. Let me stand up so you guys can see like how long it is and why I'm saying that I kind of like want to cut it. So here, and I'm 4'11", but it's like going to my hip. That's how long it is. I have some makeup on my shirt. But yeah, okay, so guys, if you really liked this tutorial, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, become a part of the MayFam. We would love to see you back here with the next video. I upload 3 times a week, so you get to see my face 3 times and hear me 3 times. Sundays I just release like whatever content I have that I'm feeling like I want to release. Mondays are my vlogs, and Wednesdays are for hair and beauty content specifically. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Megan D Mayfield, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.